Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn on Find My Mac on Mac. So first click on this little Apple icon, select System Settings. Now scroll down to iCloud, and here next to Save it to iCloud, click on See All. Now scroll down looking for Find My App. I think yes, this is it, the Find My Mac. And as you see, it is now turned off. To turn it on, click on off. And as you see, turn on. Locate, lock, and erase this Mac and supported accessories. This Mac cannot be erased and reactivated without a password. Click on turn on. Find My Mac is part of iCloud and helps you locate, lock, and erase a lost Mac. Click on allow. Fill in your password. Click on OK. And now Find My Mac is turned on. As you see, now to make sure to verify this, next to Find My Mac, it should say or show on. And this is how to turn on Find My Mac on Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.